think it was really interesting to see how much we talked about transparency and collaboration, two main pillars of the AI topic. Cultural and creative professionals should be at the center of the discussion, both at the decision-making process when we are regulating, when we are creating policies that impact AI system, that impact the cultural sector, and then also when we are developing these tools.
Currently, the AI is the most important technology which will completely shake the world and the society that we currently know. So I think that it's the only responsible thing to actually dig in, understand it, to question it, to think how it can be used positively, what are the dangers of it, incorporate it in our society in a responsible way. The technology is here and it will stay here if you like it or not.
Na forumu, na katerem sem imela priložnost sodelovati, se mi je zdelo predvsem dobro, da smo se srečali različni predstavniki v bistvu ustvarjalnega sektorja. Z različnih vidikov se ukvarjamo z umetno inteligenco, ampak je pa kar nekaj skupnih točk. Po drugi strani pa seveda za neko pretakanje, prenašanje dobrih praks, ki se lahko v bistvu uporabijo v različnih sektorjih.
I find really inspiring and refreshing this forum and be part of it because it was a lot of different perspectives in the field. It's really important also on the art scene, create a kind of critical thinking about sustainability and how AI can be used also on a small level, also not thinking about scaling the data or using like overkilling methods for creating art. So it's possible to create a new kind of artworks using less data but with quality.